Assalamualaikum guys, today we will discuss some basic concepts of complex numbers. Complex number, the numbers of the form a plus b iota where ab belongs to r and iota minus 1 square root of minus 1 are called complex numbers. For example, 3 plus 4 iota, this is a complex number. Here a is 3 and b is 4. Another example, minus 7 plus 2 iota, 5 minus 6 iota. These are complex numbers. Now 8, we can write 8 as 8 plus 0 iota. So it is a complex number. Here a is 8 and b is 0. 11, we can write it as 11 plus 0 iota. So all the real numbers are complex numbers. Set of complex numbers is denoted by capital C. Next, recognition of real and imaginary parts. A complex number consists of two parts. A is called real part and B is called imaginary part. First we start with this example. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. When we solve it, we get x square is equal to minus 1 and this implies x is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. Now this square root of minus 1, it is not a real number. It is called imaginary number and it is denoted by iota. Iota is equal to square root of minus 1 and iota square is minus 1. So our solution of this equation is x is equal to plus minus iota. Z is equal to a plus b iota. Usually complex numbers are denoted by z. Real part of complex number z, it is denoted by rez. R we put z in the parenthesis. Rez, it means real part of z, complex numbers is a. And imaginary part of this complex number is b and we denote it im. B are in this way, im, and we put z in round brackets. B is called imaginary part. 2 iota minus 3 iota square root of 7 iota and minus 10 over 13 iota. Product of a real number and iota is called imaginary numbers. Numbers of this form are called pure imaginary numbers. These are also called complex numbers because imaginary number can be written in this form as 2 iota. We can write it as 0 plus 2 iota. So 0 is the real part and 2 is the imaginary part of this complex number. Now conjugate of complex numbers. If z is equal to a plus b iota, then its conjugate is denoted by z bar and we change the sign of imaginary part. A plus b iota will become a minus b iota. A minus b iota is the conjugate of a plus b iota. Suppose our complex number is 4 plus 7 iota, its conjugate will be 4 minus 7 iota. Another example, if complex number is minus 3 plus 9 iota, its conjugate will be minus 3 minus 9 iota. We just change the sign of imaginary part to get conjugate. If complex number is 4 minus 7 iota, its conjugate is 4 plus 7 iota. Suppose if a complex number is just a real number 7, we write 7 as 7 plus 0 iota and we take its conjugate. 7 plus 0 iota will become 7 minus 0 iota and it is again equal to 7. So a real number is self conjugate. We say a real number is self conjugate. If we take the double conjugate of a complex number, we get the original number. Suppose 4 plus 9 iota is a complex number, its conjugate will be 4 minus 9 iota. And if we again take conjugate of this number 4 minus 9 iota, we take its conjugate and it will become 4 plus 9 iota, which is the original number. So taking conjugate of a complex number 2 times gives the primitive number. These were the basic concepts of complex numbers. Allah Hafiz.